This is the first toy. His head looked weird. But this came from the box, so I'm assuming it kind of tell you what it is before you actually open the bag. Cute. Are their heads supposed to look like that? I'm like concerned now. Is this a defect? Who could this be? I'm not gonna look at the sticker this time, or what are we called? Ooh. Okay. I really want Hee, so let's see. Oh my gosh. This might be Hee. I'm not gonna check in the box because they have this little card thingy right here that will tell you what's in the box, which I'm not gonna do. I wanna be surprised. So hopefully this is Hee. Am I right? OMG, this is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god, why am I so excited? Alright, this is the last box, and so far I have not put out a CZ. My friend told me that she hoped that I get a mystery box, which I really don't care if I do or not. Let's see. I mean, if I do, that's cool, but if I don't, it's fine. It's easy, it's cute too. Can I see this way? Oh my god, my room's a mess right now. Oh my god, it is CZ. Oh my gosh, why is he so cute? Look at this. Best friend forever. Do our first unboxing. Okay, this is the first box. What do you guys think is in here? Ooh. I kind of want a secret for some reason. Oh, I see. Check what's in the box. Is luck. Luck is in here. Let's see. we're not gonna check the cart. I'm just gonna see what's in here. How cute. This is love. So my favorite color is blue, so I really, really want hope. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh! Oh, wait. Okay guys, I don't know what just happened, but I think I got secret. I really wanted secret, and I think I got secret. This is my very first secret. Out of all the Labubu collection, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I did not expect that, but I have 2 more to go. So that means I'm missing one. Anyway, I hope this is hope. Oh my god, is today my day or what? This is actually what I wanted. Like, I'm so excited. Can you guys believe this? Best friend forever. Okay, this is my last one, and I am missing loyalty and serenity. It is loyalty. Oh no, that means I'm missing serenity. Loyalty is so cute. Love this. Hi guys. Look, I got serenity. Oh my god, I got it. My set is complete. You guys, thanks to my sweet, sweet friend, my set is completed. Oh my god, it's serenity. Look at them.